Welcome to this explainer. Listen, if you're building data pipelines today, you already know the deal. Enterprise architecture is evolving at lightning speed. We can't just look at what's working right now, we've got to cast our vision forward. We're literally setting the stage for the future of data engineering, and today, we're looking dead ahead to the 2026 horizon. The tech landscape is moving so incredibly fast, and staying ahead means anticipating tomorrow's advanced standards, cloud integrations, and certifications today. Let's get into it.
So that brings us to the ultimate question you really should be asking yourself right now. What does it actually take to prepare for the future of data? I mean, if you're a cloud architect, an IT specialist, or even just a huge data enthusiast trying to map out your trajectory toward 2026, how do you genuinely future-proof your career? How do you make sure your technical skills don't just stay relevant, but actively position you as a leader in the pack? Well, the answer requires foresight, a highly structured way of learning, and aiming for the absolute highest professional benchmarks available in the cloud ecosystem.
Okay, let's dive into this. The real secret to future-proofing your career lies in tackling the upcoming 2026 Google Cloud Data Engineer certification. But hey, we aren't just talking about scraping by or doing the bare minimum here. No way. We're talking about mastering it. This is all about gaining a deep, structural comprehension of Google Cloud's evolving data architecture, pipeline design, and machine learning integration as we project it all the way out to 2026. It's about moving way past basic functionality and developing a rigorous, authoritative grasp of some seriously complex cloud systems. And the blueprint for this future readiness? It's incredibly specific. Our explainer today is based directly on this literal quote from our source material. YouTube video for my channel Tech Horizon with Anand Vemula, Google Cloud Professional Data Engineer Certification 2026. That specific targeting is absolutely crucial. It cuts right through all that generic advice out there and gives us a hyper-focused roadmap. When you narrow your focus down to this specific credential and this specific timeline, you completely eliminate the noise. You know exactly what advanced data processing techniques, operational analytics, and system designs you actually need to conquer.
At the very center of this blueprint is Tech Horizon. Now, this isn't just some random location on the internet. Think of it as your essential toolkit. It's literally what you require to not just survive, but truly thrive in the future data landscape. Think of Tech Horizon as your dedicated launchpad. Because let's face it, as the complexities of cloud engineering just keep multiplying over the next few years, having a centralized, forward-looking hub for your certification guide is absolutely critical. It gives you that structured preparation environment you desperately need to tackle advanced enterprise-level challenges.
But, a launchpad is pretty much nothing without a skilled navigator, right? Enter Anand Vemula. Navigating the path to a 2026 professional-level cloud certification is definitely not something you want to do in the dark. Having Anand Vemula as the mentor guiding you through this ultimate challenge provides the exact reassurance and structural expertise you need. Seriously, when you're aiming for top-tier professional mastery, learning the fine nuances of data migration, security, and scalability from an experienced guide, that makes all the difference in the world.
And this brilliantly illustrates a core philosophy in technical growth. Because there is a massive, and I mean massive, difference between simply taking an exam and truly mastering a certification. Taking the exam, that's a passive approach. It implies you're just memorizing enough facts to get a passing grade and then walking away. Mastery, on the other hand, implies an active, dominant understanding of the technology. It means you don't just know the multiple-choice answers, you actually know how to architect robust, scalable, and secure data solutions in the real world of 2026. It's a difference between just knowing the terminology and actually driving the technological strategy for a whole enterprise. Now, what's really interesting here is how we can break down this specific certification path. 3 core pillars emerge. First up, the absolute focus is on the Google Cloud Platform, which is obviously a dominant force in enterprise data infrastructure. Second, we're looking at the professional data engineer track. This is definitely not an associate or entry-level pursuit. It's an advanced, high-stakes credential designed specifically for the people who actually design, build, and operationalize complex data processing systems. And third, 2026 readiness. This is the absolute most crucial takeaway. The curriculum and the mindset are entirely future-focused. They're preparing you for the precise tools, integrations, and challenges that are going to define the industry years from now.
So how do we synthesize all of this into actionable reality? The progression is actually super clear and structured. Step 1, tune into Tech Horizon to build up that technical foundation. Step 2, engage and learn with the guiding expertise of Anand Vemula so you can navigate the complexities of advanced cloud engineering without pulling your hair out. And Step 3, Leverage all of those resources to achieve absolute mastery of the 2026 Google Cloud Data Engineer certification. It's a direct, rigorous, 3-step pipeline taking you from initial discovery all the way to true professional excellence.
We've seen the roadmap, we know the destination, and we've identified the exact resources required to get there. The future of data engineering is waiting for us, and let me tell you, it's going to demand the highest possible levels of cloud proficiency and architectural foresight. So, I'm going to leave you with this one question about your own career trajectory. Are you ready to master the horizon of 2026? The whole path is laid out right there on Tech Horizon, and the next step is entirely up to you.